When it comes to creating a bold, timeless look in home design, black stone stands out as a versatile and luxurious material. From dramatic flooring to chic fireplace surrounds, black stone can add an element of sophistication to any space. In today's video, we'll explore how black stone can be used across different rooms in your home, starting with flooring and working our way up to beautiful fireplace designs. Using black stone can be intimidating for some, but with the right approach, it can transform your interiors into a sleek, modern haven. Whether you prefer polished marble, matte slate, or textured basalt, black stone offers a range of finishes and textures that can complement a variety of design styles. Let's dive into how you can incorporate this stunning material into your floors, countertops, walls, and more. Your home's exterior sets the tone for what's inside, and using black stone can create a striking first impression. Black stone cladding on the facade brings an element of sophistication and modernity, making the home stand out from the rest. Whether you choose sleek black slate or textured basalt, the bold tones draw attention, while complementing natural surroundings. Incorporating black stone into exterior walls provides both beauty and durability. The stone's resistance to weathering makes it an excellent choice for long-term wear, ensuring that the home maintains its pristine look for years. Combine it with large windows and natural wood accents to soften the dramatic impact, creating a harmonious blend between modern design and nature. As guests approach your home, the entrance plays a key role in creating a welcoming atmosphere. Black stone steps or a pathway leading up to the door give the entrance a polished, high-end feel. Whether it's a grand staircase or a simple, modern landing, the use of stone adds a sense of permanence and luxury. To enhance the curb appeal, consider pairing the black stone with greenery or soft lighting. Subtle landscape lighting along the stone path highlights the textures and adds warmth to the dark tones. Meanwhile, decorative stone planters or a matching black stone threshold create a seamless flow from the exterior to the interior, making the entrance both elegant and inviting. Starting with the foundation of your home, the flooring. Black stone floors, such as slate, basalt, or granite, can add depth and a striking visual element to any space. Stone floors are not only durable but also provide a luxurious underfoot experience. They are perfect for high-traffic areas like hallways and living rooms where durability meets design. One of the most popular uses of black stone is in open-plan living spaces, where it can anchor the room's design. When paired with lighter furniture or walls, black stone floors create a stunning contrast, giving the space a balanced and modern feel. For a more polished look, opt for a high-gloss finish that reflects light, or choose honed, matte stone for a more natural, grounded aesthetic. Next, let's move into the kitchen, where black stone makes an excellent choice for countertops. Whether it's black marble, soapstone, or granite, these materials offer both beauty and functionality. Black stone countertops are resistant to heat and scratches, making them perfect for cooking spaces that see a lot of action. For a modern minimalist kitchen, pair black stone countertops with white cabinetry and metallic accents. The deep, rich color of the stone becomes the centerpiece, while sleek, stainless steel appliances or gold fixtures add a touch of warmth and elegance. Whether you prefer a glossy or matte finish, black stone in the kitchen creates a bold yet sophisticated statement. Moving to the bathroom, black stone can bring a sense of calm and luxury to your personal sanctuary. Imagine walking into a bathroom with black stone tiles lining the walls and floors, paired with modern fixtures and ambient lighting. The result? A spa-like environment with a modern, edgy twist. In smaller bathrooms, black stone can be used strategically as an accent wall behind the vanity or in the shower. Pair it with softer materials like wood or light-colored textiles to balance the intensity of the stone. In larger bathrooms, consider using black stone for both the floors and countertops for a cohesive, high-end look. Now, onto the focal point of any living or dining room, the fireplace. A black stone fireplace can instantly elevate the ambience, transforming a simple hearth into a dramatic centerpiece. Stones like black marble or basalt offer both sleek elegance and rustic charm, depending on how they are finished. For a contemporary look, choose large, smooth slabs of black marble to frame your fireplace. This pairs well with modern, minimalist interiors where the fireplace becomes the main attraction. Alternatively, a rougher textured stone like slate or basalt creates a more organic, earthy feel, ideal for cozy living rooms that still maintain a sense of luxury. Let's not forget the outdoors. Black stone can be used to create stunning patios and outdoor living spaces. Its natural durability makes it perfect for withstanding the elements, and its sleek appearance ensures your outdoor area feels like an extension of your interior design. Narrator: use black stone pavers for your patio flooring or as cladding for an outdoor fireplace or fire pit. Paired with lush greenery and soft outdoor lighting, black stone helps create a tranquil, modern retreat. The dark tones of the stone contrast beautifully with the natural surroundings, making your outdoor space feel both inviting and sophisticated. Whether you're renovating your floors, updating your kitchen, or designing the perfect outdoor retreat, black stone offers endless possibilities for enhancing your home's aesthetic. Its versatility, durability, and luxurious appeal make it a standout choice for modern interiors and exteriors alike. So, whether you choose to use black stone in subtle accents or as the main focal point, remember that this timeless material can transform any space into a sleek, stylish haven. Thank you for joining us today on DECOLOVA. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips and inspiration for designing your dream home.